The 2018 Highlander. The Highlander is the SUV that's thought of everything. The Highlander offers seating for up to 7 and features Toyota's innovative center stow design. The second row bench seat folds away, leaving a pair of captain's chairs. A 2010 top safety pick, the Highlander is where substance meets style and is priced below $45,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, power brakes, fog lights, compass, trip computer, child safety locks, clock, overhead console, brake assist. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.